Today I'm going to be talking about the Matariki quiz that Te Wananga O Aotearoa out at Rarawera Pa put up for its tawera last month. I'm happy to announce that me and my friend Ross were selected as the winners today. We each got a different package, as you can see at the video. We got treats in a handmade basket, and we got a massive poster full of Matariki information. Let's go through some of the questions that they ask. So the first one was, contrary to popular belief, there are 9 stars in the Matariki constellation instead of 7. However, name the 7 common stars of Matariki. And my answer was, the mother is Matariki, her daughters are tupu-a-nuku, tupu-a-rangi, tupu-a-rangi, waiti, waita, and ururangi. The English translation of Matariki is the Pleiades. And in Japan, the Pleiades or Matariki star cluster is known as Subaru. Yes, that's right, Subaru, just like the car brand. So thank you Te Wananga O Aotearoa for your generosity, keeping everyone informed and keeping Māoritanga well and alive. Ngā mihi mahana e hoa mā, ka kite anō.
Out there,